Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Snapchat open here. First, in order to reverse the video, I will take a quick video. I'll tap on the camera icon at the bottom center here, and I will record a quick 2-second video. So that's my video. If I want to reverse it, if you go through all these different options at the top right here, there's no option to reverse it. However, all you have to do is take your finger and swipe to the left. So you can see it adds a couple different filters, but if you keep going and keep swiping left, you'll see there's a little snail and a little rabbit to speed it up, and a big rabbit or a faster rabbit. And then the next option is reverse. So you'll see that the video is actually starting from the end and reversing. So that's it. That's how you reverse the video. If you want to add music, you can add music or text or whatever. And then you can hit the download button if you want to just save that as a reversed video. Or you can hit send to and send to a certain person, or to your story, or to whatever. So that's it, pretty quick and easy. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.